Okay, so this is... Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? No. I am not going to let the wind waste my time and ruin this video. No.
Hey guys, it's Wolf Girl here, and today I will be opening a package from Slimy Glacier. And as you can see, I did open the package, but that's only because I thought it was my sense for slime. So yeah. So in the package, she gave me what I bought and how much it was. So for the discounted slime, it was strawberry nutmeg mocha slime, and it was 8 ounce for only $3.25. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. And then strawberry lemonade icy slime for only $5.25. That's like such a great price. Also in the package, there is some tissue paper, but very little. Also a little candy bag and some tear sheets. My slimes, obviously the most important. In the little baggie, it includes a thank you for purchase sheet, a slime tear sheet, candies such as Smarties, strawberry candy, and warheads. And she also included a little squishy unicorn thing, and borax. The slimes come very well packaged. They're all sealed with bubble wrap. It was a little struggle for me to get into, but that's okay. So there is strawberry lemonade sherbet, and also strawberry nutmeg mocha. I did notice this one had a seal, but the other one didn't, but it is understandable because the other one is icy slime and it might not leak out, and the other one is a slime smoothie and it's a liquidy, well not liquidy, it's more like a liquid slime, so I do understand.
Strawberry nutmeg mocha is a great thick slime smoothie. By far the thickest slime smoothie I ever felt in my entire life. The only thing was that I found that the slime sticked around the rim, so it took me a while to get it off. But it's super clicky. Also, this slime didn't really smell like strawberry nutmeg mocha. It mostly smelled like nutmeg. But anyways, this slime is super self-inflatable and it needed little to no borax. Strawberry lemonade sherbet is a great icy slime. It leaves no snow residue on my hands or the table, and that really surprised me. It's really smooth and soft, like all icy slimes, and it's not like, I don't know why, but like some icy slimes are like moist. But this slime is not, so a big thumbs up from me. I did notice there were little Fimo slices in there to represent the lemonade. So yeah. So overall, I definitely recommend buying from Slimy Glacier. For strawberry nutmeg mocha, I will rate it a 9 out of 10. Now the 10 out of 10, I do love its clickiness and glossiness and self-inflatableness, I don't even know. But the scent, it doesn't really smell like strawberry and mocha. It mostly smells like nutmeg. So I think the nutmeg scent is a bit overpowering. However, strawberry lemonade sherbet the scent is great, and I rate it a 10 out of 10 because it smells like the name, the texture is so smooth, no snow residue. So overall, yeah,